Welcome back to Coins ZF, the place where history meets hidden money. Before we go any further, if you enjoy discovering rare coins, secret errors, and the stories behind money that can change lives, make sure you press the subscribe button right now and turn on notifications, because every video here could lead you to a coin sitting in your own pocket that is worth far more than you ever imagined. Today we are traveling to South Africa and back in time of the year 1994, a year that changed not only a nation, but also the future of one very special coin. If you're between the ages of 55 and 65, this story will feel especially powerful because many of you remember the world in 1994, the news, the hope, the uncertainty, and the historic changes happening across the globe. That same year, a small round piece of metal was struck that today has become one of the most talked about modern South African coins among collectors. The 1994 South Africa 5 Rand coin is not just money. It is a witness to history. In 1994, South Africa held its first democratic election. Nelson Mandela became president, and the entire nation was reborn. Coins minted that year carry enormous emotional and historical value. When collectors look at a 1994 coin, they do not just see metal. They see the birth of a new South Africa. The 5 Rand coin was the highest circulating denomination at that time. It was meant to be strong, reliable, and symbolic of stability. It was used for daily life, to buy bread, fuel, bus tickets, and simple groceries. Millions of people touched this coin, but very few realized that some examples would one day become collectible treasures. This coin was struck in a copper-nickel alloy, giving it a strong silver-like appearance. On one side, it features the coat of arms of South Africa as it was used during that period, and on the other side, it displays a beautiful design that represents the country's identity. The coin feels solid in the hand, heavier and more important than a small cent. For people who lived through the 1990s, holding this coin brings back memories of change, of hope, and of a nation stepping into a new era. Now here is where things become truly interesting for collectors and viewers of Coins ZF. Not all 1994 5 Rand coins are the same. Just like with American pennies or British pounds, there are small differences, small errors, and special strikes that make certain coins much more valuable than others. Some are struck with sharper details. Some are made in smaller numbers. Some were kept in perfect condition, while most were spent and worn. Many of these coins were used heavily. They were kept in pockets, dropped on the ground, handled by shopkeepers, and tossed into drawers. That is why today, finding one in excellent condition is becoming harder every year. A 1994 5 Rand coin that still has strong shine, clear details, and minimal wear is already far more valuable than one that is scratched and faded. Collectors pay attention to tiny things that most people never notice. The sharpness of the lettering, the clarity of the coat of arms, the smoothness of the edges, the quality of the strike. Even a small mistake at the mint, like a slightly off-center design or a doubled image, can turn a normal coin into a rare variety. This is why people all over the world, especially older collectors who grew up handling coins every day, love searching through their old collections. Many men between 55 and 65 remember a time when cash was king, when every purchase was made with coins and notes. Some of you may still have jars, boxes, or drawers full of old coins. And hidden inside, those could be something very special. The 1994 5 Rand coin is particularly attractive to collectors because it represents a turning point in history. Coins from important years always gain more attention over time. Just like coins from 1776 in the United States or 1947 in India, 1994 in South Africa is a key date that will always matter. Imagine holding a coin that was minted during the birth of a new nation. That alone gives it meaning. But when you combine history with scarcity and condition, you get value. Real value. Many people think only ancient coins or gold coins can be valuable, but modern coins with the right story and the right features can also become collectibles. The 1994 5 Rand coin proves that. It is not made of gold or silver, yet collectors still seek it out. Some examples have been preserved in mint condition, meaning they were never circulated or barely touched. These coins look almost new, even though they are more than 30 years old. When a collector finds one like this, it is like finding a time capsule from 1994 that older collectors especially appreciate coins that connect them to memories. They remember what life was like in 1994, the news on television, the newspapers, the feeling that the world was changing. Holding a coin from that year brings all of that back. This emotional connection is one of the reasons coin collecting is so powerful. It is not just about money. It is about history, memory, and legacy. Many men in their later years enjoy collecting because it gives them something meaningful to pass on to their children and grandchildren. Now think about this. If you had a 1994 5 Rand coin sitting in a drawer, how many times have you ignored it? How many times has it been overlooked? Most people would never guess that a simple coin could be worth far more than its face value. But collectors know better. They know that some coins quietly rise in value as the years go by. They know that coins tied to historic events become more desirable. And they know that coins in good condition are becoming rarer as time passes. Every year, more 1994 5 Rand coins are lost, damaged, or destroyed. Every year, fewer remain in collectible condition. That means the surviving examples become more special. The men watching this video, especially those who grew up handling coins daily, understand this. You know how easily coins get worn. You know how rare it is to find one that looks almost new after decades. That is why the 1994 5 Rand coin is such an exciting piece for collectors today. It is a bridge between the past and the present. It tells a story that will never be forgotten. And now we come to the part everyone is waiting for. What is the value of the 1994 South Africa 5 Rand coin today? The coin we were talking about, the special 1994 issue that collectors search for, carries a collector value of $500. Yes. For $1,500 for a single coin, that a small piece of metal that once bought groceries is now worth more than many people's monthly income. That is why you should always check your old coins. You never know what treasure is hiding in plain sight. If you enjoyed this story and want to discover more hidden values, remember to stay with Coins ZF, because the next coin we reveal could be the one that changes